Hi guys, right, so today we have been working on this pretty awesome looking VW T6 2016 model. So it's been in for folding wing mirrors, but also something else that we've not put up on the YouTube channel before, which is the side door soft closing. So you've probably seen it where we've done the rear tailgates, the soft close on that and how that works, but we've thought we'd just do a little video of how the side door system works. Now, full transparency, I forgot to film the first part of the video to show you the before. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some of the parts that we've removed to facilitate the soft close function. So we've got the first central locking bit here, which actually, even though we've replaced it, doesn't need replacing. But the main one is the striker plate with the new motor attached to it that allows it to pull it in. So what we'll do is just open it up. It's not the electric version, it's the standard version. So this has been quite a difficult build just purely because, or a difficult retrofit because it's all fully converted out. So we've had the rock and roll bed out, we've had to get access to the paneling behind here, we've had the B pillar out, we've had the A pillar out, we've had all the lower dash out, we've had to gain access to the BCM to wire it into there. But just so you can see the difference between the two striker plates. So this one has got a fixed pole just in here, and this one has got one that pivots. So when the vehicle knows that the door has closed and it's got the signal from the BCM, this spins and pulls it in. So what we'll do is we'll just... So I'll do that again. Oh, might need to give it a bit more juice than that. So you probably heard it there, and I'll just do it one more time over here. You'll probably hear the motor working as well. And there you go. So, soft close, T6, genuine Volkswagen upgrade. Is quite a bit of work. It's not the cheapest retrofit in the world, but it is good, and especially if you've got little ones that, or people that aren't strong enough to fully slam home the door without slamming, and you want it to make sure that it's always closed without having to repeatedly opening and closing it. Great little upgrade. So advanced in car tech. If you're not subscribed to the channel, why not hit that sub button? If you like the video, thumbs up, and also when you do subscribe, hit that bell notification, and then you'll get a notification on your phone website every time we upload a new video. And especially if you enjoy the T6 videos, you'll be the first to be able to watch it. So take it easy.